Stormtracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
A couple hours ago, about an hour and a half ago actually, heard a little pitter-patter of the rain here at the TV station. A lot of folks across much of western Oregon, including up to the northwest coastline, get more than that. Some heavier showers pushing through a little localized area of low pressure that's been spinning up along with the trough in the jet stream now starting to push its way inland. So that's the general location that we've got. And again, there's a weak cold front that's starting to attach to that as well. So that's going to concentrate the showers over the next, let's say, 2 to 3 hours here as we go in towards the rest of your Wednesday evening. The low itself will swing across the state, basically moving diagonally with Highway 20 there. But most of the activity is going to be up to the north of us here. Again, we'll keep some scattered showers. Folks down towards Douglas County, Coos County may get a couple of light scattered showers, nothing major. Heavier stuff's going to be to the north of us there. And you're seeing up into western Washington what is likely going to be the pattern over the next couple of days for not only there, but here at home as well. Lots of mountain snow, ski and snowboarders. This is going to be your next couple of days. We're going to really start adding a lot of fresh powder to some of the ski resorts. Right now, here's what we've got. Temperatures around 45 in the Corvallis. We've got a lot of potential for some heavier showers to push on through. You can also see the cold nature of the air. We've got some pockets of snow showing up at some of the higher peaks in the Coast Range. Mary's Peak, for example, everything above around 2,500 feet is starting to fall as snow. We're going to keep that chance for a wintry mix around over the next couple of days as well. And into Saturday, you have to see in just a second what we've got for that. 48 in Roseburg right now, 45 in North Bend, 31 as you get towards Lapine. We're sitting just above freezing, a few degrees. As you get out towards Bend, it is 29 on top of Willamette Pass. Speaking of Willamette Pass, one of the spots that is now watching for a winter storm watch. It's out for most of the Coast Range as you get down in towards Lane County. Same thing for both the Santiam and Willamette Pass northward up into the Cascades. We've got winter storm watches. Now, these are posted for Friday into Saturday, or Thursday night, I should say, into Friday night, early Saturday. This is anticipation of the biggest of the three storms that's coming through. So here's how it sort of breaks down. The snow levels are going to hold between around 2,000 to 1,500 feet. 1,500 feet, maybe down to 1,000 as we go overnight Friday into Saturday. The time period right now is basically for about the next 48 hours. And here's what we're looking at. Again, these totals will adjust as we get the new model information over the next couple of days, but we could be looking 4 to 8 inches in the foothills, and that's everybody above 2,000 feet. Cascades, including the passes, maybe 1 to 2 feet. And the ski resorts, especially up around Mount Hood, we could be talking 2 to 3 feet of snow. So nice to see a big winter storm come blasting in here after it's been a fairly quiet start to 2013 so far. So I'll keep a mention of some isolated showers. And again, a lot of this will be before midnight. Could see a spotty one after that. But with the cloud cover that's pretty much entrenched here, that'll keep those temperatures above freezing, around 36 for us here in the valley. And we'll keep those occasional showers around as well. Now, we've got back-to-back storms coming, starting with a stronger one tomorrow. Then the real big enchilada comes in as we head in towards Friday night into Saturday. That's when it brings the real wintry weather, too. And as we mentioned, we're talking heavy snow, lots of wind at times at the coast, and a potential for early Saturday morning to try to mix some of that snow down to the valley floor. Why is that? Well, here's what we've got. We still have the jet stream pushing all that cold air closer to us, right? Highs flattening out a bit, so that's strengthening these systems, allowing them to get a little more steam. Fridays is still way off towards the Aleutian Islands, but that's the strongest one. And as that continues to pull all that cold Arctic air in with it, that'll keep those snow lines on the low side. So here's how it looks as we go overnight tonight and tomorrow. Mainly just some snow showers up in the mountains, then another blast of some, we'll call scattered showers throughout the afternoon and evening, snow above 2,500 feet. And then look at that. There's the big blast coming through. And that main impact for that will be Friday evening into Saturday. And on the back end of that, or what we call post-frontal showers, or kind of the wraparound stuff behind the front itself, is when we have the cold air in place, we have more cold air spilling in, and with the potential to drag those snow lines down below 1,000 feet, possibly down to the valley floor. I don't think we'll see much stick with that, but there is a potential we could get a rain-snow mix to start your Saturday. So the coast, scattered showers tomorrow. We'll see windy conditions Friday for sure. Then a bit of a break as we go to Sunday. Another quick hitter on Monday, and then again on Wednesday. Isolated showers of the Umpqua, temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50. And then again, 7-day forecast shows the wettest time period Friday into Saturday. Could also see some of a wintry mix early Saturday for folks down in the basin. In the Cascades, we're talking around 2 to 5 inches for tomorrow. As we go to Friday, Saturday, that's where it'll be 12, 24, 30 inches in some spots. Isolated snow showers in Bend and Redmond tomorrow. We'll pick up probably, I'd say, 2 to 5 in some spots. by Friday into Saturday before we'll continue to keep a kind of unstable forecast for the next 5 to 6 days. And finally, here in the valley, around 46 to 47. Scattered showers tomorrow afternoon and evening. Friday's going to be the big soaker, guys. Friday afternoon, evening, overnight into Saturday. There's a chance we could get some good snowbursts down to the valley floor. Now, will a lot of that stick? Probably not. Ground's going to be too warm for that. But it may be something if you're up and out early Saturday, you could see some of the white stuff falling.
The girls will be very excited to see, and it doesn't matter if it sticks, as long as it's coming from the sky,
falling,
they're
right.
very
it looks
excited.
Cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think Mr. Stapleton himself will kind of probably be a little bit excited.
Oh, we're gonna be all fired up here.
A little bit.
That's for sure.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.